is doing the pullback. It's already spent about half an hour. Is in its almost third of the stage. Cool. Technique. How do you feel?
I feel cool.
How do you feel?
Cool.
How is it going? Progressing well?
Mm-hmm.
In terms of challenge, how do you feel the challenge? Less challenge or medium, high?
Less challenge.
No challenge?
No challenge.
Okay then. Let's see, you've got another 20 minutes. See if it be better.
There isn't two of these.
Oh, this. Jesus. Okay, what's going on now?